Yeah, thank you very much for attending the session. Otherwise, you all know speaking the role, you know. So this is Australia interest rate decision. You see. So guys, this one is very different. In fact, let me not say it's different. This one is it's tricky because our forecast is equal to our previous. So when the situation is like this, right, we try by all means to get our direction from the charts, right? Right. So I want us to start um, from 10 December 2024 when the forecast was equal to the previous, right? So 10 December 2024, the forecast was equal to the previous. And guys, please, news are all about prediction. We can't always be 100%, right? So let's risk and make money. This is all about the risking, right? So otherwise, let's kill this thing. So let's go to 10 December at 5:30, right? 2024, right? Nice. Let's go there. 10 December, 5:30, 2024. Okay, January. Just to see what happened when the forecast was equal to the previous, right? Uh, Let me clear this chart. I see what I've been busy on it. So 10 December. Okay, this is 10 December. 9. Oh, 10 December 2024, 5:30 in the morning. Wait, let me check what time frame is this. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So things we must check the fair value gaps, we must check the overall direction so that we come up with what's gonna happen next, right? Yeah. Okay. Are you guys fine? Did you guys fund your accounts? Because most of the time after the event, you guys come to my inbox and be like, I should have funded it. I don't know.
No, the accounts are funded.
The accounts are funded. Let's make this man.
Yeah, let's make money. The money is there.
Yeah, money is there. Money is coming. Money is coming. So we go into December, right? In 15 minutes time, it's very far. But let's try to be there. Yeah, 15 minutes remaining. Where are we? Oh, we still on. Okay, let's use 1 hour. No, 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 no. 15 minutes. We'll take our time. Mm. So 28 January. And December. Yeah, man. What's it called? So what we're doing, we back testing, guys. Okay, this is 10 December, right? We want 5 a.m. in the morning, right? So 5 a.m. in the morning. Yo, there was no movement there. Do you guys see the candlestick of 5 a.m.? And this is 10,
Mm.
no, this is 11 December. This is 10 December. Okay, here's the candlestick of 10 December. This candlestick is very big. Why I'm saying it's very big? Because what we're gonna do is full margin, right? Right, and it's very big. Let's try to get what was the overall direction. So the market was going to the downside. You see what I'm talking about? Are we guys? Let's talk, please. So
Yeah.
the market was going to the downside, right? And that candlestick of 5 a.m. was what is that candlestick? Oh, ish. That candlestick of 5 a.m. was a sell candlestick. You see? Nice. What does it tell us? Because we have equal forecast and previous, and the trend is going to the downside. What does it tell us? You see, it's trying to answer our direction. It's trying to give us our direction because we're having the same thing, right? Let's go and check there. Is the trend really going to the downside? Because let's make sure if the trend is really going to the downside. Okay, let's go make sure. Okay. Well, this market is consolidating also. Okay. Let's cook it until we come up with our direction. So we have a fair value gap here that is not touched, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have a fair value gap here that is not touched, right? Having a fair value gap that is not touched here. And another thing is from here to here, the direction is going to the downside, and we collected this liquidity here with only a week, right? Collecting this liquidity here with only a week. So it's favoring a sell, right? Because why? We collected here with only a week, the market is going to the downside, and the overall direction from here, in fact, from here to the downside, it's sell, right? So let's make another let's backtest another previous event, right? Which one are we backtesting? Then we're coming from 10 December. Okay, let's get where the market do. The market was making same thing, same thing. See what I'm talking about? From from 6 August 2024. Forecast being the same always. Let's go to February 18th. Yes, sir. Mr. Chairman, you were saying?
No, I was just looking at how you were pointing out that everything is the same from the 6th of August.
Yeah, from the 6th of August. Okay. And from the 6th of August, uh, September and August, it was at what time? What time? At 6:30, you see. And things changed.
Yeah.
The only difference we had, it was from 18 Feb, right, at 5:30. Let's go to 18 Feb at 5:30. And just see, right, how it moved. And we had a big difference, right? We had the forecast being less than previous. And what does they tell us here? It says a higher than expected rate is bullish for AUD, right? So this is what a low expected rate on the 18th, right, of February, meaning we had a weak AUD, right? Meaning we were supposed to sell by Feb 18, right? Sell AUD USD, right? How many minutes left before the fund starts? 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Let's go to it's 18 Feb, right? 18 Feb.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to 18 Feb. Uh, 18 Feb. Yo, 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 yo. Look at the spike at 18 Feb. Here is the candlestick for 18 Feb. You see how big this candlestick is?
Yeah.
Interesting. Very interesting. Let's 18 Feb, it's not far. Let's try to see it on 15 minutes time frame. 18 Feb, I don't think it's really, really very far. So 18 Feb, oh, here it is. Oh. So what happened before it shoots to the upside? It collected liquidity here. This was the spike. And from here at the opening until here spiking, this can blow an account. This is a very big movement.
Yeah.
You see the tricky part I meant about this. So this is the tricky part I meant. Let's try to come up with why it did this on 15 minutes time frame. So on 1 hour, we had an OP, an order block here where it tapped, right? So meaning, and for the order block to be or to have an impact on the market, or should I say and to have an official order block, it must have, I'm sorry, it must have an OVG, not OVG, it must have FVG, FVG, or an imbalance.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, it spiked to the downside, collecting this liquidity here, right? You know when how it collects liquidity, collected liquidity here. After collecting this liquidity, went to the upside to clear this, and this movement is beautiful, very big. Okay. So what was the forecast? Let's look at the forecast. AUD USD. What is our currency? AUD USD. Hey, this one, you see, this one, it tells us to focus more on the what do we call this? On the on the on the chart than focusing on the data. Why I'm saying that? Because by guessing the forecast, right? By checking the forecast was on the 18th of February, the forecast was less than the previous. Meaning, first thing it was supposed to go where? To the downside, right? And it going to the downside, what does it tell us? That spike, this one, there's this small movement. The one I'm saying it can blow you. If you sold here with everything and you came out here very fast, you made, I'm sure, you made money. Because because what we saw on on investing.com now, it's this movement. There's a small movement. Look at the overall movement. I'm sorry for that. Going to the upside. Dangerous. Okay, no problem. So let's focus on what's happening now. Mm, mm, mm. Not easy to come up with a direction here. Why? We have two open FVGs. We have this one here and this one here. And this one, we have this one and this one. So what do, guys? We wait for it to spike, we jump in, or we enter, but not with the full margin. Either we do two things here because according to the way this market is, we can spike can spike inside this FVG and shoot here. Or this market can go and collect liquidity until this FVG here. And according to the things, right, this market does not even show us the direction, clear direction. How many minutes left? 4 minutes. So,
Maybe
yeah.
you need to wait and let it spike and then collect and join in when it moves up.
So we let it spike and trade after.
I think so. To play safe.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, no problem. What's the overall direction? Downside. Hey, dangerous. 4 minutes is too much. Which one can we look at before the event? The one for 5 November when everything was equal. Let's try to go check the one for 5 November. What's up with the currency strength meter? Let me check currency strength meter on phone very fast. I don't like this event. It's not nice. It does not. Whenever there's no difference between forecast and whenever there is no difference between forecast and previous, right? It's not nice. On the chart. Okay. 3 minutes to go. It's a share. I get the signal. Okay. And we collected nice liquidity here. 1 minute to go. Anyway, guys, the thing is, we're gonna have NFP very soon. And NFP again, it have many events at the same time. So during NFP, in fact, we will analyze it. It might tell us different things, but those events, they might cause us spikes.
When there's a spike, which is the best way to catch it? When it's reversing or immediately after it's taking a direction?
Oh, nice, nice. 1 minute to go. Okay. Let me blow my AUD USD. Guys, please wait for it. I want to show that. Yeah, we have a 1 minute FVD that is like this. Oh, let's wait for it. It's not nice. No, the spread. And how are these people trading currencies? The spread is not like on Nasdaq. It's
Hey,
wide open.
that spread is not nice, eh?
It's wide open. Yo, did you guys see the spike to the downside before it go
Yeah.
up
Went
on
to
1
the
minute?
downside and then quickly shot up.
So it touched a bit inside that FVT up there. Small touch. The clear way to see it is on 15 minutes.
Yeah.
It's nice to read the news. Hey, No movement. Yeah. I woke up this time for this small movement. Okay. On 1 hour we have beautiful FVG up there. You guys can see it, right? And for this market to go to the downside, I think will have to go touch the OP up there on 1 hour. So for this market to reach there at that order block up there, it's gonna take almost hours. It's better to go to the gym. Yeah. Yeah. But no problem. No problem. Come again?
It's better to go to the gym.
It's better to go to the gym. So look at what it's doing. It's inside the 1 hour FVG now, right? And it will be forced to go to touch that OB up there. So yeah, and even if we were to trade it, look at the spike. Hey, this thing is very open. And when are they gonna give us a chance to kill interest rate? So the actual is 4.10. So meaning that's why we had this a spike, because it's equal to the previous. I think let's make sure we kill NFP, because we see what things are falling apart. Let's try to kill NFP. I'm sure some people will blue accounts. Hey. So let's check. So we have PMI at 4. So we have PMI at global manufacturing PMI, not at 4, at 3:15, at 4:45. And PMI again, there are 2. Why are they 2? And when they are 2 like this, it does not really give a big movement. That's the boring part about it. Hey, do you guys know that I learned how to analyze the news with you? Because I was just making research and I'd be like, let's have class. And we read everything like this, then we come up with it with you like this. So you see with your yeah, everything is flowing very nice. Yeah. We touched on that 1 hour FVG, and you see the market is going to the downside, but it's gonna have to touch the order block. We have the hidden order block again. I did not see it. Did the market touch it? No, it did not touch it. That's why it's not good to enter on this market now.
Because it's a 1 hour fair value gap and it's 4 hour on fair value gap.
Okay, let me check 4 hour. What's up with the 4 hour one? Oh, you see the one on 4 hour, right? If you were to place a cells, right? But the thing is, it must go up a bit. So with small lot sizes, right? Yeah, it can go up with you and down. When you wake up in a very nice mood. But me, I want to enter when the market moves now. So yeah, otherwise, let me go to the gym, and
You want it now?
You see. So let me go to the gym and we're gonna trade NFP together again.
Oh, no.
Not PMI. PMI, there won't be any movement there. There won't be any movement because the movement that will be there will be very small. Very small. All right. So let's kill NFP. And I will tell you again, we're gonna analyze it and see what's gonna happen during NFP. Where is NFP? Let me go to this week because we're having many things at the same time. You see, we're having this is what I don't like. Look at the unemployment rate. This is the forecast and this is the previous. It's equal to the previous. Look at our average hourly earnings, equal to the previous. The only difference we have is on NFP, which is we have low forecast. But we're gonna cook it. This one I can't miss it. And already by seeing things like this, we already know the direction. Hey, okay. Otherwise, yeah. Good morning, guys. Let's visit the gym so we keep healthy bodies and everything. Otherwise, thank you for your time. You saw things did not go right, right?
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And like you know what did I tell you that I once purchased a DJ Coach signals a long time ago. 2021 up there. It would be like during interest rate, there was no interest rate we would miss from NZD that one at 3:30 or 2:30 in the morning. It would just be like sell.
Mm.
And when we blow, he closed that. You see, WhatsApp have that thing of only admins can send the messages. He closed that thing.
Yeah.
That's what he would do. Otherwise, thank you very much, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna kill
Okay.
NFP. I swear. Thank you very much.
Hola, hola.
Sure,
No.
sure.
Sure, the road.
Thank
Yeah.
you. That's all. That's all. Don't worry. Okay. Just looking.